In the heart of Kingston, where every corner pulses with rhythm, a new voice emerged, one that would reshape dancehall's landscape. This is Valiant. Born Raheem Bowes in rural St. Mary, Valiant found music in the everyday. The hum of taxi radios, the call and response of street dances, and the gritty energy of local sound systems. At Oberlin High School, he scribbled lyrics between classes, dreaming of a stage far beyond his island home. For years, Raheem hustled, sleeping in borrowed cars to afford studio time, networking with producers, and absorbing lessons from veteran DJs.
You know, basically from basic school days going to high school, I already knew what I wanted to do, you see. I started to do music like in 7th grade. I did an official recording of a song. Yeah, I was doing videos like trying to go viral at that time, but you know, nothing never that clicked back then, but you know, it was opening doors basically. It wasn't hitting, but it was opening doors. Basically, just lock off the noise and just steer on positive energy. You know, focus more, work more. Cause basically consistency is key, you know. Which is how you be consistent. Cause if you follow the noise, you can't be consistent. So you just basically just focus on you and where your consumers them want, you know. As me I tell you, the only thing will affect you is basically if you're really like in tune with the media or so. You know, that will affect you. But if you're not really in tune with it, like focus on it too much, it's not gonna affect you. So it not really affect me, because it not faze me. In order for me to create music, I have to run positive energy. The energy I have to write. So I can write about anything once the environment is comfortable. I didn't even break down, like before everything blew up. I was trying to basically master my craft, because I was singing like a different type of way, and I was trying to learn to control certain keys, different flows, how for the sound different and all of that. So I basically teach myself what to do and what not to do, and what you get what I say? Yeah. If I did follow people, I wouldn't reach so far. So people don't really tell me how my thing go. My work. Like just work consistent and just focus. As I tell you before, I just focus, tunnel vision, find some different things to sing about, because at the end of the day you can't stay at one level for so long and doing the same thing. You have to change some style. So when you're changing styles and trying something new for your consumers, it's gonna be new to them hearing those things. So it's not gonna be something that they're gonna like at first. But you're trying it, you get me? I say, if you just try, if you go over in that category. But there's a lot of things. But as me tell you, there's tunnel vision. Yeah, you're not changing your roots. You're just trying to, like, it's like you're dabbling, like, for try to get some ears, you know? You know,
Then, in early 2022, Kachi had dropped. Built around a catchy Jamaican slang, the track ignited TikTok and Instagram challenges overnight. Within weeks, millions of streams poured in, and Valiant's name reverberated.
Outside Man, I say the dogs bad, you see me? So, do see the talent there, but catch it. Where that come from? That I saw not talk?
No, sir. I'm in the country, man. I just, energy was my birthday. I'm gonna say, with the done structure how things already for basically take on the year, the finishing of the year. Is it? So I did my birthday, my drunk, you don't know why all the vibes. Video shoot for science now, you know, so science out right now. 4th pan trending, yeah. We do the video feed. And we're normal up on my junk, and my road manager, Steko, my video, I'm always a catch the right thing them. And video me say,
oh, so I'm a father?
Yeah. Say it like you hear the father. Yeah. So I don't know. And the energy just build less about me. Whenever him have the video and I say, oh, this body, you know. And me I say, brother, you mad?
Yeah, that's a joke thing, yeah.
Mad. I'm back there that sweat and I say, I'm not post up that. Man, I say, Valley, I work here, this post thing. Got in bed, I'm thinking about it. On the 19th, I'm birthday, and the 20th now, I just post it up. I saw me see my phone, I go,
when it's a birthday gift, you get, man?
Yeah. I just blessing my father because we've been at work. You see?
So where the dogs here from? Which community your father from?
You know, I'm in Manninzil district though. Stonian, Punai St. Andrew. I don't know.
Radio DJs from Miami to London spun his anthem, while clubs in Kingston shook as crowds chanted Raheem's lyrics back at him. The movement was undeniable. Valiant had tapped into the island's heartbeat. From intimate dancehall stages to massive festivals like Wireless UK, Valiant's magnetic presence commanded attention. His raw energy and textured flow bridged generations, honoring dancehall's roots while carving a fresh path forward. But behind the roar of the crowd lies the craftsman at work. Valiant writes and produces his own tracks, weaving themes of perseverance, community, and joy. Songs like St. Mary pay tribute to his hometown, while club bangers like Speed Off keep dance floors alive. Valiant started out under Popcorn's unruly banner, soaking up studio nights and stage tips from the dancehall star. As his own sound grittier bass, sharper street lyrics took shape, creative vision split.
Forward singer. That you as a singer.
Yeah.
When you sing something for Trilani.
Yeah.
Trouble.
Unruly. You don't know where chop of them. I'm being chop of there. I'm being chop of there. Dog. Sit don't run no cheap talk. I will let the street hard. You get locked up or head beat off. I'm being chop of there. I'm being chop of there. Dog. Sit don't run no cheap talk. I will let the street hard. You get locked up or head beat off. Load up my 9X. I be a US and board me a drive with. Me see a fun pussy girl and say she love me. Someone pull over, make she get a ride. For the ladies them now. She say she have a man, but she still want fuck me. Yes, the relationship a fuckery. As me put her on the back, I say she love me. She love me. She say she have a man, but she still want fuck me. Yes, the relationship a fuckery. As me put her.
You don't like him? They don't like you. Now I have to tell you straight. So if you're not ready for go up on stage, don't ask Popcorn for calling up on stage if you're not ready. So you better go training camp. So you tell him, go to the what? Training camp. All bumbucklaters.
Yo, I love all out now. I'm far from you know. When I see a little video when the man run me off the stage, not even applaud, I love you know. For narrate, Mr. Blood clot. Which training camp?
Feel it. So, watch previous interview and say they on Popcorn. How that they work. Like, let's say as an unruly singer.
So them did say,
So what going on? Papi still good?
I'm really good, Valiant good. Me just there go and do me, them a do them, you see it. I make sure focus on the music, you know, nothing else. When I focus on my team, my family, and I start pretty forward. Now I get too super happy. Just I keep focus, you see it. Yeah, because this is not it yet.
Yeah.
Valiant's influence now stretches far beyond Jamaica's shores. From viral fan videos in Toronto to sold-out shows in London, his message of authenticity resonates across cultures and cements his status as dancehall's next ambassador. With a string of new singles on the horizon and high-profile collaborations whispered about in industry circles, Valiant shows no signs of slowing. Each release is poised to build on his momentum, pushing dancehall into uncharted territory. From an aspiring teenager with a notebook of rhymes to a viral sensation commanding international stages, Valiant's journey is far from over. His story is a testament, in dancehall, as in life, you make your own breaks. And Raheem Bow's Valiant has only just begun.
It's a gun in my waist, badness never carry on face. East, listen, me travel with the escape, for them just play. Go so then east. Melody, Chillmatic. So tell me how it feels when you're not here with me. Girl, tell me how it feels when you see me with her. Girl, tell me how.
If you enjoyed Valiant's story, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more dancehall documentaries. Drop your favorite Valiant track below. Let's keep the conversation alive.